Welcome to DVCom Technology. In this lab, I am going to show to you how to configure LAN to LAN VPN in Vigor3910 and Vigor2962 routers by using PPTP. As you know that PPTP is a point-to-point tunneling protocol. In my previous videos, I have shown to you how to establish the LAN to LAN VPN through IPsec version 1 and version 2. And now we are going to see PPTP. Let's go and have a look, guys. So first thing is that let's go and access my Vigor3910 router by using the public IP, which is admin and admin. And here guys, before we start configuring, I want to show you something. Here in the HQ side, let's go back again. Say okay now. Sorry for it. And if you see here in the HQ side, we have a static public IP, guys. As I told you, the VPN server in DrayTek, we can call it as a dial-in. We can call it as a VPN server. Either you need to have a static public IP or you need to have a DIN DNS. So by default in DrayTek there is a DrayDNS which is free for you. If you don't have a static public IP, you can configure the DrayDNS. It's going to associate with your dynamic public IP. In other side, either you have a static or DHCP, doesn't matter, because here what I'm going to do now, in other side in the remote location we have a IP address through PPPoE or you are having a public IP through DHCP. So make sure that when you get a public IP, if it is a dynamic, either you are going to get through PPPoE connection or DHCP. So in that scenario, how you are going to establish the VPN? This is what I am trying to explain to you guys. Okay, so make sure that whenever you are going to configure the VPN in this scenario, only in one site you should have either static public IP or you should configure DNS. That's very important. Yeah, so now I am going to show it to you in the HQ side, which is 3910, guys. So for that, what I'm going to do, let's go to the VPN and remote access, click on LAN to LAN. Then I'm going to disable this and say okay. Now I'm going to configure the profile number 5. So enable this profile and specify the name. So I'm going to give you 2962, which is PPTP. Yeah. Then after this, I'm going to make it as a dial-in, and here the internet has connected on WAN 3 interface. Then after that, go down, and here in the dial-in settings, I just want to disable everything, and I'm going to select PPTP. The moment when you select the PPTP, guys, see here, it's allow you to enter the username and password, guys. So the PPTP username and password has to be matched in both sides. That's very important, guys. Keep remember that. Okay, so your Vigor3910 is going to act as a PPTP server, and the remote site is going to act as a PPTP client. So I'm going to give you PPTP user, and I'm going to specify the password. It doesn't require any pre-shared key or anything, guys. Nothing is required. Keep remember that. Then after that, remote network is 192.168.200.1, and they have a 30 network as well. So specify there 192.168.30.1, which is /24. Then say add, then click OK, then close, then say OK now. Okay guys, then after that say OK now. Don't get confused why this tunnel is up, because in other side it's established, that's why. Now after this, go back to your branch. So once you log in, as I told you that you will get a warning, so nothing to worry about it. Make sure that make it off. Then after that, go to the VPN and remote access and click on LAN to LAN. So here, just make it off. Then say OK now. Now see the tunnel is going to become off now. Yeah. Then after that, just click on profile number 5. So I'm going to specify the enable this profile, and I'm going to specify the name as 23915, and I'm going to give PPTP. Okay guys, then after that it's a dial out. So other side is dial in, it's a dial out. Now select the PPT. By default it's selected there, and specify there the username and password, which is PPTP user. Then the password, it should be match. The username and password has to be matched. And what's the server IP? This is very important, guys. Yeah, you are trying to establish a VPN connection through this. Yeah, make sure that these parameters are very important. Then after that, go down and specify there 192.168.100.1, and make sure that it should be 20.1 and it should be /24. Then say add, say OK, then click close, then say OK. That's it guys. Then say OK now. Then after that go to the connection measurement, say dial. See, the tunnel is up guys, which is using PPTP, point to point tunneling protocol. Okay guys, so this is how it's going to be. So just go here. I didn't do anything guys, so simply you can say OK again. Now you can able to see the tunnel status. See, the tunnel is up, and go to the connection management. That's it. You no need to do any other things guys. Now you can able to access from here. For testing purpose, go to the system maintenance, go to the diagnostics, then you can go to the ping diagnosis. So you can able to specify the IP address which is there in the remote 192.168.30.1. I am in HQ, so I am trying to ping the branch. Say OK now. If the tunnel is up, then you are able to see the reply guys. That's the beauty of your DrayTek. If tunnel doesn't come up, then you cannot able to see the reply. Yeah, now you can see there the reply has come. And if you check the routing table, you will find something strange here. Did you see here? It has added the routes 192. That you can see here there is a VPN. You can able to, okay guys, it's directly connected, and you can able to see here the 30 network. You can go through 192.168.30. Yeah, and if you want to access, see there is a static routes which is there guys. This is what I'm trying to see. The static routes are injected. Yeah, if you want to go 200 or if you want to go 30, it has to go through your VPN 1, means the tunnel 1. Okay guys, so this is how it's going to work. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos, and thank you for watching. For sales, please send us an email, sales@datavoice.com.